Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best vacuum hose is probably one of the most overlooked tools in your cleaning arsenal, but trust me, it can make a world of difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of vacuum hoses, exploring why having the right one is crucial for everything from quick home cleanups to tackling those heavy-duty renovation projects. Get ready to discover how the perfect hose can boost your vacuuming efficiency and make your life a whole lot easier. Number 5. DeWalt DXVA 19-2500 1-7/8 Ultra Durable Vacuum Hose. Introducing the DeWalt DXVA 19-2500 Vacuum Hose. This durable hose is designed to work with a variety of DeWalt shop vacuums. This hose is compatible with DXV04T, DXV05P, DXV05S, DXV06G, DXV08S, DXV06P, DXV09P, DXV09PA, DXV10P, DXV10PL, DXV10S, DXV10SA, and DXV10SB models. It's a versatile accessory for your cleaning needs. The hose has a 1-7/8 inch diameter and is 7 feet long. A locking tab ensures that it attaches securely to your vacuum, even when you're moving the vacuum around. This ultra-durable hose is built to last. You can rely on it to withstand tough conditions and frequent use without breaking easily. You'll receive one DXVA 19-2500 vacuum hose. It's a great addition to your shop vacuum accessories. What we like. This hose is built to last, thanks to its ultra-durable design. The locking tab ensures a secure connection, even when you're moving the vacuum. If you're looking for a reliable hose that can withstand tough conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. The hose quality is rigid and it's easy to snap into the vac and functions as designed. Much nicer than the stock included hose. Won't kink. Sturdy. The hose itself is made of very heavy and thick plastic. It is a very high quality material and is very slick. Slick equals fewer clogs. The hose is rather stiff. That equals to greatly reduced chances it will collapse in on itself during high suction periods, lifting water, and will be very unlikely to kink. Number 4. DeWalt DXVA 19-2600 Vacuum Superflex Hose. This Superflex hose is designed to work with your DeWalt DXV04T wet dry vac. It ensures a perfect fit, making your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. You can rely on it for a seamless experience. The locking tab on this hose ensures it stays securely attached to your vacuum. You can even pull the vacuum by the hose without worrying about it detaching. This feature adds convenience and reliability. This hose is 1-7/8 x 7 foot and super flexible, allowing it to handle various cleaning jobs. It's compatible with brushes and nozzles, making it a versatile tool for your cleaning needs. It will help you reach tight spaces. The package dimensions are 13.39 L x 9.06 W x 2.79 H. This compact size makes it easy to store and handle. It's designed for your convenience. You will receive one pack of the DXVA 19-2600 Vacuum Extended Superflex Hose. It's everything you need to enhance your cleaning capabilities. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This hose offers super flexibility, making it easy to maneuver around tight spaces. It's compatible with various attachments, perfect for handling most cleaning jobs. If you need a versatile hose for detailed cleaning, you should consider this one. What people say. The hose quality is rigid and it's easy to snap into the vac and functions as designed. Much nicer than the stock included hose. Won't kink. Sturdy. The hose itself is made of very heavy and thick plastic. It is a very high quality material and is very slick. Slick equals fewer clogs. The hose is rather stiff. That equals to greatly reduced chances it will collapse in on itself during high suction periods, lifting water, and will be very unlikely to kink. Number 3. DeWalt DXVA 19-2501 Vacuum Hose. This is the DeWalt DXVA 19-2501 Vacuum Hose. It's designed to work with several DeWalt vacuum models. It's a reliable accessory for your cleaning needs. This hose is compatible with DXV12P, DXV14P, DXV16P, DXV16PA, and DXV16S models. It's designed to fit perfectly with these vacuums, ensuring optimal performance. The hose has a 2 to 1 2-inch diameter and is 7 feet long. This size provides flexibility and reach for various cleaning tasks. Installing this hose is simple. You don't need any tools, just insert it into your vacuum. It's a quick and easy setup. Made from flexible, high-quality material, this hose is built to last. It's reusable and sturdy, providing long-term value. You'll receive one DXVA 19-2501 vacuum hose. It's everything you need to get started with your cleaning tasks. What we like. This hose is incredibly easy to install, requiring no extra tools. The flexible material is not easy to break, ensuring long-lasting use. If you value simplicity and durability in your tools, this is a great choice. What people say. The hose is very flexible and easy to maneuver. The hose is a perfect fit and works great. The hose is exactly what I needed to replace the original. Number 2. DeWalt DWV9315 Replacement Hose for DWV012 Dust Extractor. Introducing the DeWalt DWV9315 Replacement Hose. It's designed specifically for the DWV012 Dust Extractor, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. This hose is the ideal solution for maintaining a clean and efficient workspace. It works seamlessly with your existing DWV012 dust extractor. The 15-foot crush-proof design provides flexibility and durability. It can withstand tough job site conditions, ensuring a long lifespan. It includes a universal connector for fast and easy connections to your power tools. This feature saves time and allows for quick setup. With the universal connector, you can quickly attach the hose to various power tools. This makes the whole process much more convenient. What we like. This replacement hose is crush-proof, ensuring it won't get damaged during use. It includes a universal connector for easy attachment to your power tools. If you need a reliable hose for your dust extractor, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The hose is very flexible and easy to maneuver. The hose is a perfect fit and works great. The hose is exactly what I needed to replace the original. Number 1. DeWalt 51400272 Hose Assembly. This is an OEM authorized part from DeWalt. It's designed to meet the original equipment manufacturer's specifications for optimal performance. This hose assembly is compatible with a range of DeWalt models. Ensure it fits your specific model for seamless integration and operation. The part number is 51400272. This number ensures you're getting the correct replacement part for your DeWalt equipment. This is a genuine DeWalt replacement part. It's built to the same standards as the original, ensuring durability and reliability. The part number is 51400272. Make sure this matches the part you need to replace for a perfect fit. This is an OEM part, meaning it's made by the original manufacturer. You can trust its quality and compatibility. What we like. This is an OEM authorized part, guaranteeing quality and compatibility. It fits various DeWalt models, ensuring a perfect fit for your vacuum. If you need a genuine replacement part, you can trust this one. What people say. Purchased this to replace the DeWalt vacuum's hose and it was a perfect fit. Suction is good, quality is wonderful. Exact match. Was actually a perfect fit for my old DeWalt vacuum. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.